my name is Avinoam Leonel. I'm a cancer recovery specialist, and there is an upcoming event for couples with cancer I want to tell you about. If you know such a couple, please do share this video with them, because we know through research that the quality of our relationships and even having the right support system can greatly influence both our experience as well as ultimately treatment outcomes. So please do share this video with them. If you live long enough, if you had few relationships, you understand that making relationships work in general, even when we're healthy, can be quite a challenge, let alone keeping our relationships healthy while going through the cancer experience. That's a whole different challenge. It can be quite daunting, and that is despite of everyone's best intention. With so much change going on, first and foremost for the person who received the cancer diagnosis, they are now a patient, and also for their partner who now become or has to assume the role of their primary helper. There is so much change in identity, and that can be taxing and demanding on the relationship, which is why it is necessary for us to address it. And with so much change, with so much unknown and so much distress that stem from all these changes, we have to make the time to reconnect, to rediscover one another in a way that is more authentic and fresh, so that we can strengthen the bond that we have with those we love the most. Which brings me to this wonderful evening, this Valentine-inspired mini workshop that we're planning. And I want to invite you personally to join us, because it is that place where you can rediscover your partner in a fun and authentic and meaningful way. For details, please click the link in the description of this video below, and I look forward to seeing you there, supporting you personally, and helping you deepen your relationship, make it stronger in every way. Thank you for watching.